I'm having so much fun making these scrappy animal blocks. Right now I am taking some just jean fabric and cutting it about roughly 10.5-ish squares. So once I get my fabric cut to size, I have my fun little animals here that I cut with my Cricut machine. And then I just did a free motion sewing of just some scrap fabrics on top of them. And I cut it from my Cricut machine using fabric. And then I'm just putting it down onto this fun jean fabric here and going through all my little scrap bits, just tons of just fabric scraps. Plus I'm using onion bag, little netted onion bags, avocado bags, and I think onion, avocado, and lemon. That's the other one. I have a lemon bag too. So I'm just cutting them up, placing them all over the little chicken here. And I love it that they just lay on there and they look like kind of little feathers and stuff on it. So I'm just doing it very organically and just laying them down, you know, kind of flipping over some of the fabrics just so you could see instead of them being backwards and stuff, and just kind of fussing a little bit with it. And then after I get them all laid out the way I want them, I go ahead and I have this stabilizer that I will put on top of it, and it's a water soluble stabilizer, and that will be down in my description box below in my Amazon links, so you guys can come check it out. But you'll see in a minute that I just go ahead and I lay that on top and pin it just all the way around. And then when I do my free motion sewing on top of it, it works really good and doesn't have it so my foot gets caught, of my sewing machine gets caught in the threads and all the fabrics and stuff. So I'm using extra leftover threads too. I'm putting on top and putting that on top of the chicken too. So I just cut this to size, the stabilizer, and then I just take some needles, some straight pins here, and I just pin it just all the way around it, and that just holds it into place. And then I will take it over to the sewing machine and show you guys what I do next. I have my free motion foot on my sewing machine right now, and what I do is just start circles and just sewing in circles slowly and staying on the little chicken cutout, and I just do little swirls all the way around it. If you guys are enjoying this video, please hit the like button. That does help me out so much to get my video out there more for others to see how to make these animal scrappy blocks, and I really appreciate it. So I'm going ahead and I took the straight pins out because it's all sewn down and secured. And now I'm just doing some fun stitch lines around the chicken just to have some fun interest around it. And there you go. Now I am outside and I hung them on my fence. It is a beautiful day here in Oregon. And I just got the hose to cold water and sprayed them. And you can see that it just dissolves right off. It is just the best stabilizer ever. I love it. So I just give them a quick wash and let them hang out in the Oregon sun and dry. So they're all dry, and I think they would make great journal covers, plus placemats, a quilt, and just so many things you could do with them. Hot pads, all kinds of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.